Understanding A Man of the Cloth. Hello, everyone. Welcome to today's English language learning journey. In this video, we're going to dive into the fascinating world of English idioms and phrases, with a special focus on the expression, a man of the cloth. This phrase has a rich history and a specific meaning that might not be immediately clear from the words alone. So, let's unravel the mystery together and add another interesting phrase to your English vocabulary. A man of the cloth refers to someone who is a clergyman or a religious leader, such as a priest, minister, or rabbi. The cloth in this phrase symbolizes the special clothing or robes that religious officials often wear as part of their duties. This expression is used to denote respect and recognition for the person's commitment to their religious duties and life. The phrase, a man of the cloth, has its roots in historical times when the clothing a person wore often indicated their profession or social status. For religious leaders, wearing robes or garments made from specific materials was a sign of their spiritual role and dedication. This is how the term, cloth, came to be associated with clergy, highlighting the significance of their attire as a symbol of their religious service. When using the phrase, a man of the cloth, it's important to do so in contexts that respect and acknowledge the person's religious position. It can be used in both formal and informal settings, but always with a tone of respect. For example, you might say, I had a deep conversation about life with a man of the cloth, to express a meaningful interaction with a religious figure. Let's see a man of the cloth in action with some example sentences. Growing up, I always admired my uncle, who was a man of the cloth, for his wisdom and compassion. During the ceremony, a man of the cloth blessed the couple and wished them a happy life together. She decided to seek guidance from a man of the cloth in her time of uncertainty. Understanding expressions like, a man of the cloth, enriches your English vocabulary and helps you appreciate the cultural and historical nuances of the language. We hope this video has shed light on this intriguing phrase and that you feel more confident using it in your conversations. Thank you for watching, and remember, learning English is not just about grammar and vocabulary, it's also about embracing the stories behind the words. See you in the next video.